Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel, Learn Avec Ritika. Today we're going to focus on mixed economy and its features. In the previous videos, we came across capitalist economy and socialist economy. The link to both the videos will be put in the description box below. Alright, so let's begin. So basically, in a mixed economic system, the best elements of capitalism as well as socialism coexist. Here, we have two types of mixed economic systems. The first being that private entrepreneurs own the means of production and government can intervene in economic affairs indirectly via import duties, price control, licensing system, or monetary and fiscal policies. An example of such a mixed economic system is the United States of America. And this economic system is actually known as a mixed capitalist economy. Here, we understood how the government can indirectly control. Now we will focus on what the government directly controls. The production of defense goods and the production of public utilities falls directly under the scrutiny of the government. Coming to the second type of a mixed economic system. Here, the government regulates and controls the private sector directly. Relevant participation is prevailing in developing economies. Such an example is the Indian economy, wherein the government directly controls the economy via different elements like monetary policies, fiscal policies, and the production of various goods and services. Coming to the first feature of a mixed economic system, coexistence of private and public sectors. Here, the public sector will dominate those fields that will have a higher investment, thereby a higher risk, whereas the private sector will indulge in those fields where there is higher profitability. Various examples can include transport, agriculture, energy, textiles, or even banking. The next feature is economic planning. Basically, economic planning is the roadmap that helps to achieve the economic and social goals via different measures like taxation being a fiscal policy or monetary policies which includes controlling the money supply in the economy. This is actually known as planning by inducement. The third feature is price mechanism. Now, as we observed, that in a capitalist economy, there was a high level of price mechanism. Basically, price mechanism controlled a capitalist economy. What happens in a mixed economic system now? Basically, the level of price mechanism is reduced and there is a certain balance that is maintained. This is actually called as administered prices. This means that the government administers the prices of certain goods, certain services that are offered in the economy. Coming to the fourth feature of a mixed economic system, greater social welfare. Now we already discovered that in a mixed economic system, the best elements of capitalism and socialism are in play. There are various welfare schemes that are launched for the community benefit. Many of them are launched by UNICEF, many are based on health, sanitation, physical health, mental health, even Beti Padhao and Beti Bachao campaign that is prevailing in India, and other campaigns on water conservation. These various welfare schemes are in play in a mixed economic system. In fact, there is a reduction in economic and regional disparities. The formulation of trade unions, labor laws, and factory acts also contribute to the community benefit in a mixed economic system. Coming to the fifth feature, reduction of inequality of income and wealth. Basically, in capitalism, there was a clear divide between the haves and the have-nots, which means that there was a clear divide between the rich and the poor. The rich could easily exploit the poor. Now, what happens in a mixed economic system? Basically, the aim is to provide equal economic opportunities with respect to income, distribution, and employment opportunities. So let's quickly revise the 5 features that we came across in this video. Coexistence of private and public sectors, economic planning, price mechanism, greater social welfare, and reduction in inequality of income and wealth.